By and large, most of the points have been covered and explained by the Commissioner Tourism. But still, I'd like to brief you about some of the projects or the steps which AP Tourism Development Corporation is taking to basically bring infrastructure in the nook and corner of the state and promoting the state as a whole. I think we all are aware that the Andhra Pradesh is basically is a temple state where we are very much famous for the temples, and we have this long coastline where we have the potential to develop huge beach tourism in our state. Ecotourism is one area where we have a huge potential. In fact, Andhra Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation as on today has 57 hotels in the nook and corner of the state. And in fact, there are some of the places where only AP Tourism Development Corporation offers the accommodation. There is no private accommodation in those areas because those places are very, very new. We are opening hotels there to basically open up that area, because as of now, it may not be possible for a private investor to go there. It may not be absolutely viable for them to operate a hotel there because the area is unknown to the people. But once we open a hotel, then that people start going there, people start staying there. In fact, some of the hotels we are running even at a loss to basically promote that place. Our objective is not exactly to make money alone. Our objective is to basically open up that area so that in future even private investment is possible. And once an area is open and there is a potential, the tourists know about that, I'm sure the private investors will show interest in investing in those places, and slowly this is the process which the tourism, the places grows. I would not be able to take the name of each and every places where we have hotels, but I can tell you that you name the place in Andhra Pradesh and we have a hotel there. And that is the situation we have in Andhra Pradesh. And we are the only corporation in the country as of today which operate the package tours. No other corporation in the country is having a fleet of the 120 buses, where we have large number of Volvo buses, we have Mercedes buses. So we are offering, in fact we are today, I can say without any doubt that we are the biggest tour operators in the state for inbound tourism. There is no other tour operator in the state who is I would say carrying more number of tourists than Andhra Pradesh Tourism Development Corporation. We are now taking up basically the ecotourism is one of the major sort of where we feel that Andhra Pradesh has a lot of potential, and we are developing this Kaval Wildlife Sanctuary in Adilabad, so which is we are going to start the work. In fact, within 3-4 days we'll call the tenders and the work will start. It has been declared as my information is that it has been declared as a tiger reserve. So definitely a lot of people will be interested in future to come once our resort come, because nobody will go unless until there is some accommodation somewhere, somebody can stay, kind of this thing. So this is an area which we want to concentrate, and I'm sure in times to come we will take a lot of steps for development of Kaval Wildlife Sanctuary, adventure tourism in that particular Kaval Wildlife Sanctuary. Then this on the way to Srisalam also there is one Mananur Tiger Reserve is also there. That also, in fact, inside the forest we had one hotel earlier, but it was blasted. And now we are trying to develop one big resort in PPP mode, just 5-6 kilometers or 10 kilometers before that Mananur Reserve. That is Dindi. There is one Dindi Reserve. So there we have 7 acres of land. I have already floated, in the paper. It has come already. So we are now basically requesting the private investment to come.